They say ho, ni hao ma, sawadika. It is my pleasure, privilege, and honor to be this year's president for the 36th PICPA KSA Eastern Province Chapter. For over 12 years, I have been an active member of the chapter, and I can say that I have lived my life trying to cope up with the vision and the mission of the organization and to see to it that I am a responsible member. I have been speaking for many years now, and tonight is the first time that I did not prepare any speech because I honestly do not know what to say, but to be grateful and thankful for this privilege that is offered to me to serve my beloved foundation and chapter. Tonight, first and foremost, I would like to thank each and every one of you, the different community organizations here in the Eastern region, our guests from across the borders of Bahrain, my general manager and colleagues in my company. I would like to recognize them. Please stand up so they can see you. Thank you so much. For most of you, you might be thinking that this is just an ordinary event, fancy as it may seem, because you are asked to wear something different apart from the formal wear that we used to wear when we are attending these kinds of formal events. But under the new administration and management of the PICPA KSA Eastern Province Chapter, we would like to say that we are rebranding for the better. We would like to show you that a PICPAN or an accountant is not as boring as you may think. Usually in general membership assemblies, the members are the only ones you will see. They will have to share the reports or the financials of what transpired in the past fiscal year. But why not make it better? Why not make it more interesting, more exciting, more inclusive, and more diverse? As tonight, we have shown you that it is not only the brains that we are very proud of, but the creativity that we have, the interesting lives that we also possess, aside from the boring work that many people assume that we are doing. And tonight, it is my greatest honor, pleasure, and privilege to be sharing this milestone, not only of the organization, but mine as well, as the new leader who's trying to lift up the image of the organization that has been boring for some, yet interesting in one way or the other. Today marks the new beginning and the new journey of the chapter towards a more inclusive and more diverse projects that the community will be witnessing sometime soon. My name is Ricardo J. Schweden Jr., CPA, your new president for the 36th Council. Thank you.